Hey, this is Johnny from Johnny Snowplow Services and Teal's Excavating. I'm doing a little job for a company called East Rose Homes in Bowmanville, where I live. And we did this today, added some gravel here, and it's 3/4 inch crusher run. And then we put these patio stones. There's a huge hole over here that had to be brought up quite a bit. There's only about half a load of stone in here. And we installed these guys here, swept in some polymeric sand, all done. Half day's work. They're super happy with it, and I'm sure we'll get a few more jobs out of these guys over the next couple of years. This property here, they plan on putting 26 or 27 units in here. It's pretty wild. Yeah, that's about it. Just thought I'd share that.